Welcome to Factor 85 Labs. Right now, there's a lot of craziness going on out there, and masks are kind of the thing. Everybody's talking about them, everybody's wearing them. Some places and some states, some stores are requiring people to wear masks at certain times. So I thought if I am required to wear a mask to go in certain stores, at least I can choose what that mask might look like. So I'm going to model this idea after the Japanese Menpo Mask. That's a half mask worn by samurai to help secure their helmet. Let me move the camera over here and we'll get started on this thing. Alright, so here's the plan. Why not just go all the way? here's one more thing. If you like this video, make sure you click the like button. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what kind of mask you wear to the grocery store. If you want to see more videos from Factory 85 Labs, click the subscribe button to see any new videos that we upload.